Ever seen slide where one element smoothly changes into another and wonder how they did it? In this tutorial, you will learn how to stack animation in PowerPoint to create smooth professional transitions that look complex but are actually super easy to make. Let's start the video. Here, I have a few images and text boxes ready. Right click on the slide, format background and choose your preferred color. Go to Shape, Rectangle. Hold Shift to draw a perfect square. Fill it with a solid color. Set an outline color. Right click, Edit Text and type your number. Use a bold font like Arial Black and increase the size. Now, duplicate it to create 4 boxes for step 1, 2, 3 and 4. Select all the number boxes. Go to Animation. More Exit Effect, Collapse. From the Effect option, select to bottom. Then, click on Add Animation. More Entrance Effect, Stretch. And choose from top. Set the Start option to with Previous. Now, open the animation pane. This is where the real stacking begins. We will rearrange the animation to make the transition smooth. Keep the first rectangle's collapse animation on click and remove its stretch animation. For the second rectangle, move its stretch animation next to the second number. For the third rectangle, move its stretch animation to the fourth position. For the fourth rectangle, remove its collapse animation. Select the first rectangle, click on Animation Painter, apply to first picture. Repeat for rectangles 2, 3 and 4, applying each to its respective picture. Now, open the selection pane and rename everything clearly. Rectangle 1, Rectangle 2, Rectangle 3, Rectangle 4. Arrange them number-wise. Also rename your images. Picture 1, Picture 2, Picture 3. Arrange them number-wise and position each image below its rectangle. Back in the animation pane, move Picture 1 and Picture 2 below 01 and 02 and set with Previous. Do the same for Picture 2 and 3 under 02 and 03. Again with Previous. Repeat for Picture 3 and 4. Now select all 4 rectangles. Go to Shape Format. Select Align Center. Do the same for the pictures. Align center and adjust properly. To make them pop, go to Picture Format, Picture Border, select White and slightly increase the border width. Select all text boxes. Go to Animation, apply Fade Exit Animation. Then click Add Animation, apply Fade Entrance and set with Previous. Remove the fade entrance of the first text box. We want it visible immediately. Now Reorder the animation so that each fade entrance come right after the fade exit of the previous one, like this. Exit, entrance, exit, entrance, exit, entrance. Rename the text boxes in the selection pane. T1, T2, T3, T4. Go to Align. Select Align Middle to keep everything perfectly centered. Then, position text 1 and text 2 below the rectangle and picture animation and set with previous. And that's it. You have just created a stack animation sequence where shape, pictures and text transition smoothly from one to another. It looks complex, but once you understand the logic, it's actually simple to manage. If you found this tutorial helpful, hit the like button, share it with your friend, and subscribe to Akshrika Tutorials for more advanced PowerPoint animation technique like this one.